Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a grouped bar chart using dimensions in Tableau. This visualization technique is incredibly useful when you want to compare multiple categories side by side, making it easier to spot patterns and differences across your data. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Tableau website. Simply type in tableau.com in your address bar. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, you'll see various options for getting started with your data visualization journey. Now you'll need to either sign in to your existing Tableau account or open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, depending on which version you're working with. If you have an account, click on the Sign In button. If not, you can download and launch Tableau Public or Desktop from your computer. Both versions will allow you to create powerful visualizations. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new workbook where you'll build your grouped bar chart. Click on Explore at the top of the page, then look for the New button. When you click it, a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, select Workbook. This creates a fresh canvas for your visualization project. With your new workbook open, it's time to connect to your data source. On the Start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect. Here you can choose from various data sources like Excel files, text files, or databases. Click on Files, and then select Upload from Computer. Navigate to the dataset you want to use in Tableau and click Open. Once the file finishes uploading, which might take a moment depending on the file size, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook. Choose something descriptive and click Publish to save your work. Now comes the fun part where we start building the visualization. For our grouped bar chart, we'll work with product name and quantity sold. Drag product name to the columns shelf and total sales to the rows shelf. This creates the foundation of your chart. Make sure to adjust the visualization type to bar if it hasn't automatically selected that format. This ensures you're working with the right chart structure. Here's where Tableau's built-in intelligence really shines. Look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a feature called Show Me. Click on this button and you'll see a drop-down panel displaying various sample visualizations that Tableau can automatically generate based on your data. From this list, select the option labeled Side-by-Side Bar. Tableau will instantly transpose your data visuals, creating a clean grouped bar chart that uses dimensions exactly as you need. This automatic feature saves you time and ensures your chart follows best practices for grouped comparisons. And there you have it, a professional grouped bar chart using dimensions in Tableau that clearly shows your data comparisons. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.